I ran in and I heard Alexa reply, "There is nothing connected to the water heater." Who was that and what were they trying to say? There is
There's
nothing
nothing
connected to
connected to the water
the
heater?
water heater. That's what Alexa was saying. It's like somebody in an empty room asked Alexa a question, and Alexa was answering.
I'm trying to go. That's really cool because what happened there was that was an imprint. Usually, an imprint of energy is some strong, energetic event that is imprinted on the fabric of time in this dimension. And at certain times of the year, or whenever that event occurred, you'll hear it, like the screams on a highway, or a party in a room. Something bled through for a minute, and Alexa picked it up. That is cool. And I think she assumed she heard something about the water heater, but so there wasn't actually an entity speaking to Alexa, no. But she picked up on the sound in the room, and that is interesting. Paranormal investigators, you might want to take Alexa with you. That's kind of cool.